Guys, my name is Peter. I'm posting this to show you starting cold my FZR 600 motorcycle. Sorry, it's nighttime and it's dark and everything, and I just have this light. I'm trying to show you the bike. The fairings are okay. There's a piece cut out that's taped on. Otherwise, it's in okay condition. I repaired the front there. So, I mean, it's pretty much a bike that, from about 10, 15 feet away, looks, looks pretty decent. And then here's a total cold, 100% cold, cold start here. And this bike is a gas and go bike. Let's see. Does have a Shorai lithium battery in it, and trying to do this with one hand here. And I did put in a voltmeter, so it does show you the voltage, which is just handy. Working at a lithium battery company, I wanted to do that. Okay. Okay, so no choke. Let's see, yeah, the choke is down there. That's on. That's off. And let's give it a go. And of course, as it warms up, it'll run a little bit smoother. There it is.